So in this haircut, we are going to cut a one length trim. So as you can see, what I've done is I've taken a center section down the center of the back. And then I've taken A-line sections going from the center out to the ear. And I simply comb the hair down and I'm establishing my guide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work my way up as far as the sections. So right here, I'm going to take another section, working my way up the head. I'm going to take the hair that I am sectioning away, comb it down. As you can see, I'm combing it down right here. And I'm going to use the previous section as my guide to cut the current section that I'm combing down. So as I comb this hair down, I can see underneath the length of the previous section. That length is the guide for the current section. And I'm going to just do this throughout the entire haircut, working my way up the left side of the head and then the right side of the head. Once I have completed combing all the hair down, cutting it to the current new length, I will then blow dry and cross-check the haircut. Okay, so let's continue. So, I've completed the left side, now it's time to do the right side. So as you can see, I'm taking another section, working my way up the head, combing the section down, combing that hair straight down, using the section underneath it as the guide to establish the length I'm going to cut this section that I'm cutting down. I'm simply just holding the hair in my comb and then taking my scissors and cutting right where that guide is. I'm going to continue doing this all the way up the head until I am done. And once I've completed the right side, then we will go ahead and blow dry the hair, and like I said, go ahead and cross-check the haircut. So the hair is now all dry, and I'm going to go through and cross-check the outline. You may cut a perfectly straight line in wet hair. However, hair changes from wet to dry. So, depending on the texture of the hair, some parts of the hair may dry different than others, leaving you a slightly inconsistent outline. So, once the hair is dry, you want to go through and just cross-check that outline just to really clean it up. Basically, sharpen up all the inconsistencies that happened from the hair going from wet to dry. So we've come to the end of this video, and if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to put them down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I want to thank you so very much again for watching.